Hi guys, this is a small tutorial on how you can add voiceovers over your Instagram Reels. Start by opening your Instagram app. Once you've opened the app, click on the plus or add sign. Select the option of story. From here, from your gallery, you can select the video that you want to add the voiceover to. Once you've done that, click on the option of add. When you click on the option of add, it will show you a variety of options to select from. Click on the option of the music sign. When you select that, click on voiceover. Now click on the red button to record. You'll see that here we are doing a sample recording over the time of video that we want to add the voiceover to. Click on done. Now you can adjust the volume of the camera or the video as well as the voiceover. If you are okay with it, click on done. And that's it guys. Click on next and your reel is ready to be uploaded. When you click on next, you can either save the video as a draft or you can share it directly. Hope this video was helpful. Have a good day.